Is there anything sadder than a beautiful loaf of bread that's gone hard and stale? Don't throw it out. I'm about to show you a mind-blowing trick to bring it back to life, making it warm, soft, and crusty again in minutes. This is the stale bread revival hack. It works on unsliced, crusty loaves like sourdough, baguettes, or ciabatta. The secret weapon? Water. Step 1. The soak. Now, this feels wrong, but trust me. Take your hard loaf of bread and run it directly under a cold tap. Quickly wet the entire crust. It should be damp, not waterlogged. Step 2. The bake. Place the wet loaf directly onto the rack in a preheated oven. Bake it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Here's the science. The water on the crust turns to steam in the hot oven. This rehydrates the inside of the bread, making it soft and fluffy again. At the same time, the direct heat re-crisps the crust. It's genius. Now for the magic. Take the bread out of the oven. It will be warm, fragrant, and the crust will be perfectly crispy. Just listen to this. Look at that. From a hard, stale loaf to this beautiful, warm, and delicious bread, ready for butter. This trick will save you money and stop you from wasting perfectly good bread. If this bread hack just blew your mind, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How to Guru for more amazing kitchen secrets.